only be able to get the one out of here because I want it to be fairly wide. Okay, so actually what we can do is I'll go ahead and I'll cut this right down the middle. I think we can actually get both of them out of it. So put the ruler down and cut. Continue all the way up the top. And then I'm just eyeballing it. If you have wider rulers, you can always use a wider ruler. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and move it down. So we'll get rid of that piece, cut that off there. Okay, and then over here, let's see, it's about, I usually just take the ruler like this, mark it with my thumb, go over here and just kind of mark it. That's the fastest way to do it. And then just kind of line those up. I'm not going to want to use this piece right here where that little seam is. So hopefully these are long enough. I know this one is. Let's see if the other one is. Okay, so I want to do, let's see, the back is right here in the back. So I want this over here on this side. Oh, it's plenty long enough. Okay, so it's going to come from over here on top. So I'll just kind of pinch some of that off right there. Take some water, place it right there on top, and push this down. Okay, now what I want to do is go ahead and kind of place a little bit of water right here where the band is going to hit each part of the cake. And I want to try to keep it, you know, coming out like this. I don't want it to push it in. I want to kind of keep that out. And then here, this is actually going to be a little long now at the bottom. So let me go ahead and cut some of that off. There we go. And place a little bit of water down here. Okay, now that part of the bottom, go ahead and take something like the spatula and push that in at the bottom. I want it to resemble it, that it's gone underneath the package and come up on the other side of the package. That's the look we're going for. Okay, so now let me go ahead and turn the cake all the way around. Okay, so I need the other strip to come right down here. So cut that part off. And I'll go ahead and place a little bit of water here. Since we know where it's going to end up now, straight down this line, we can go ahead and put some of that water on now to help secure it. And while we're at it, why don't we put a little at the bottom here. Okay, now I got a little cornstarch on here, so I'm holding this and kind of just getting that off. That doesn't look good. And tuck that in. Okay, great. All right, so we're back. This is the front again. So now we're ready to do the bow part. Actually, we need to do the tails for the bow first.